Okay children, now let's learn about multiplication. Now you have done this already in previous class as well, but let's recapitulate it once again. Now multiplication is one of the best thing in maths and it acts like a magic. You know why? Because it is the most quick and powerful way of adding the same numbers over and over again, and you can give answers very quickly. Now it is repeated addition. So now let me explain you multiplication with the help of example. Now all of you know what is addition? Yes, all of you know. So multiplication will not be difficult for you at all. Now let's do one example and try to understand the meaning of multiplication. Now suppose that you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 groups of 4 pencils each. That means total there are 1, 2 and 3 groups. And in each group how many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So total there are 3 groups and in each group there are 4 pencils. Now tell me total number of pencils. Well, in first group there are 4 pencils. So I write 4 plus. In second group also I have 4 pencils. So I write plus. And in the third group also I have 4 pencils. So again plus 4. Now add and tell me 4 plus 4. 4 in mind, 4 on fingers. What do you get? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again keep 8 in your mind and 4 on fingers. Forward counting. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total there are 12 pencils. Now it took time to answer, isn't it? So multiplication is the quick way of actually telling the answer, calculating the answer. And that would be 3 multiplied by 4. That gives us 12. 3 here represents number of groups. Okay, 3 represents number of groups and 4 represents number of things in each group. And multiplication means times. So 3 multiplied by 4, quickly you can tell the answer, that is 12. So this is the most easiest way of adding all the numbers, adding the same number over and over again. Now in the first case you added 4 plus 4 plus 4. It takes time. Now if you know the multiplication tables, then you can find the answer within no time. Here I told you that 3 represents the total number of groups, that is 1, 2, 3. And 4 represents the number of things in each group. In this case we have 4 pencils in each group and 3 4s are 12. And multiplication means times. So children, multiplication is repeated addition and sign used for multiplication is this, and this sign means times. So with multiplication, the calculation becomes very easy and very quick and also accurate. Now let me give you one more example to make the concept even more clear. Now children, and as you can see, there's one more example over here. Now you can see how many groups are there. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are total 5 groups. And how many pencils are there in each group? As you can see, 1, 2 and 3. So in each group there are 3 pencils. So total number of groups are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in each group there are 3 pencils. Now let's find total number of pencils. Now here we have 3. So we are going to add it. Then here we have 3. So plus 3. Now plus 1 more 3 is there. Plus 1 more 3 is there. And plus 1 more 3 is there. So 3 plus 3, 3 in mind, 3 on fingers. Forward counting you get 6. Now 6 in mind, 3 on fingers, you get 9. Now 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So total number of pencils here are 15. Now it will take time to answer the question, but we have to learn the magic of quickly answering the question. So that is, what do? We simply 5 multiply by 3, it gives us 15. I answered within fraction of seconds. So this is the magic, and this is multiplication. Now where 5 represents total number of groups, here we have 5 groups, so this is 5. Multiplication sign, it represents times, and 3 represents the number of objects in each group. Now here we have 3 pencils in each group. So 5 3s are 15. 5 into 3 is 15. So this is repeated addition. You need not to add the number 3 5 times. We have added this number 5 times. So you need not to add the number 3 over and over again. It will become a bit tedious, and of course it will take time. So if we know multiplication, with the help of multiplication, within no time we can quickly find the total number of pencils which are over here. That is 5 3s are 15. I'm repeating once again, 5 represents the total number of groups and 3 represents the number of pencils in each group, and this multiplication sign, it means times. Now here we are repeating the 3 digit again and again. So here we can say that it is adding the number 3, adding the digit 3 again over and over again to get the answer. So I hope the meaning of multiplication is clear to you. But children, first of all, we need to learn the tables. We need to learn the multiplication tables to proceed further. So next, now we are going to learn the multiplication tables. So listen and watch the next video very carefully and try to learn the multiplication tables